In this quick Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split a clip. Here I have a car racing video. After playing, pause the video at the point where you want to split it. Click on the razor blade tool or press C on the keyboard. Now, with the razor blade tool selected, we're ready to split the clip. You can cut the video clip anywhere, but moving the razor blade really close to the playhead will snap razor blade cut to that position. Now click on the left mouse button on a Windows PC or a trackpad on a Mac, and the video clip will be split into parts. Now if you play the video across the part that was split, you'll see no difference in playback because we simply split the clip into parts. After this, usually what you want to do is select the selection tool and move the second clip around. This can help you organize your project. And of course, you can also split the clip at any part, not just the playhead. Then you can drag the individual clips around on your timeline, rearranging them on different tracks. You can remove some of the clips that were split or apply effects individually to any of the separate clips. To apply an effect, select a clip, press Shift-7 to open Effects. I'm going to choose Blur and drag and drop it on one of the clips we split earlier. Press Shift-5 to access effect controls for that clip. Here you can see the details of our blur effect that we just added, and this blur effect or any other effect will be applied to the currently selected clip. So if I play the video now, you will see there's no blur, but when we enter this new clip, there's a blur effect, and then it goes back to the clips without the blur effect. So guys, this is pretty much how you split clips in Premiere Pro for managing your Premiere Pro project or applying effects to individual clips.